I finally got my passenger door open for the first time in a week. More on that later. In the meantime, cabin filter, so I can finally finish the service, is here. So these two tabs pull to centre and then the whole thing will drop out. Not too bad. I like to keep on top of these because the heat resistors for your 1 to 4 fan speed are normally in there. It's usually, they'll burn out because these are clogged, so there's no good airflow through them. Right, so that's the way it went in. I don't actually think that's the right size filter for this. No, it's the same. Cleanliness comparison, gross. Airflow is towards the centre console, so just make sure you get your arrows lined up wherever they are. There we go. Slot it back in up there. 2 tabs to the outsides, and you're done. There, done. A little video, but worth it. Finally finished changing all filters on the car. That's the one I need, same as the Audi A2. And that's your Euro car parts number. That's some more crap and get rid of the car. Now, in this crazy heat we've had, I couldn't actually open the door on the passenger side. The pin would sometimes jump up when you unlock the car on the remote central locking, and then it didn't. So I can only assume with this crazy heat we've had, something has expanded in here and it was catching. I squirted WD-40 down there on the door, tried to get the door catch like in between the shut here and in there. I did that every day for 2 or 3 days, and today it's actually unlocked. It is quite a lot cooler today. But I think I'm going to take the door lock mechanism off sooner rather than later to free that off, properly clean it out. It's probably got, I mean, well, you can see people, previous owners would put the yellow, white, horrible grease in it. It's probably just clogged up with crap. But you actually see my knuckle marks there where I was punching it in anger. That's good. But it is an MOT fail if you can't open your passenger door. Actually, I don't think it's an MOT fail. They refuse to test your car. So, great. But it seems happy now. Until the next one.